The idea of this video is how to find out the last time the password was changed for a specific user. In Active Directory, if you go to Tools, then Active Directory Users and Computers, and open the OU that contains the user account. I don't have the attribute editor. First, navigate to the View menu, then enable Advanced Features. After enabling, return to User Account, right-click, and select Properties. The attribute editor. It will appear on your screen. Choose the attribute PR de last set to clearly see the exact time and specific date when the password was last set. To accurately determine the specific time and date, you have the option to choose the appropriate attribute from the available selections. This attribute, once chosen, will provide the necessary information to pinpoint the exact time and date you are seeking. Alternatively, if selecting an attribute is not suitable or available, you can explore other methods to ascertain this crucial temporal information. These alternative methods might include various techniques or tools designed to help you precisely identify the current time and date, ensuring you have all the relevant details at hand for your specific needs. Open PowerShell. And then you will need to type the following command: net-user, then a space, then the word user, then another space, and finally the specific username for the account. Password last set. Thank you.